Welcome everyone. Conjunction of planets in a birth chart. In Vedic astrology, when two or more planets are placed in the same house of the birth chart, it is called conjunction of planets. Almost every birth chart has two or more planets in the same house. You may be having two planets in one house of your birth chart or three planets in one house, or there may be five planets in any one house of your birth chart. So it is a very common phenomena in Vedic astrology. And conjunction of planets is also responsible for forming great yogas. Raj Yoga, Dhan Yoga, Lakshmi Yoga, Budhaditya Yoga are formed by the conjunction of planets. Have a look at this horoscope. Here ascendant is Taurus. Lord of Taurus is Venus, so Lagan Lord is Venus. There is no planet in the first house. Moon is alone in the second house. Again, no planet in the third house. But fourth house has three planets: Sun, Mars, Mercury. It means three planets are conjunct in fourth house. Fourth house is being influenced by all these three planets. And at the same time, they will also exchange energies amongst themselves and will influence each other. Then there are two planets, Venus and Saturn together in 11th house of this birth chart. The conjunction of two planets is in 11th house, in house of profit. When two or more planets are in the same house, they influence each other and try to alter the nature and behavior of each other. Each planet in Vedic astrology has its own significance, has its own characteristics. So when two planets of different characteristics come together, they influence each other. Just like people. When two or more people are together, they exchange ideas. They try to influence each other because each of them has own opinion, own thoughts, own characteristics. Nature of every person is different. When you are in close contact with someone, you also exchange energies. If we are in the company of someone who has pleasing personality or affectionate or accommodating, we feel energized in a positive way. But then there are people whose presence can make us uncomfortable. Same is the case with planets. As physical presence and closeness in humans matters, in the same way, close contact among planets also matters when they are conjunct in a house of your birth chart. So when two or more planets are together in any house of the birth chart, first we have to check their closeness, how close they are to each other. For that, we have to check their degrees. We shall start with conjunction of two planets. So first understand this concept and practice it. The rule is simple. In case of two planets, if planets are close to each other, they will strongly influence each other and will try to alter the behavior of each other. As the distance between the planets increases in conjunction, mutual influence starts wearing off. If in 11th house of this birth chart, Venus is at 16 degrees and Saturn is at 18 degrees, difference between their degrees is 2. So they are close to each other. Or if Venus is at 16 degrees and Saturn is also at 16 degrees, again great, they are strongly close to each other. So in both cases, they will strongly influence each other. This is a close contact. But if in this birth chart, in 11th house, Venus is at 7 degrees and Saturn is at 29 degrees. Now the two planets are far from each other. So they will not put that much influence or that much impact on each other. Why? Because Venus is in the beginning of 11th house. It has not crossed even 10 degrees. But Saturn is at 29 degrees, about to leave 11th house. So effect of this conjunction will decrease. For true conjunction, ideal difference between the planets should not be more than 5 degrees. As the difference between the planets increases, the influence of conjunction will decrease. Now, how this conjunction will work? To interpret conjunction of planets, focus on two things. Number 1, characteristics of each planet. Number 2, their individual lordships. So in this example, Venus is the Lagna Lord and Saturn is the Lord of 10th house and ninth house. 10th house is for profession and 9th house is the house of fortune. Venus and Saturn are functional benefics for this birth chart. We have studied in session 113 that lords of 1st house, 5th house and 9th house are the functional benefics for any birth chart. So in this case, lord of 1st house Venus, lord of 5th house Mercury and lord of 10th house Saturn are the functional benefics. Also we know in Vedic astrology, Venus and Saturn have natural friendship. If Venus is at 16 degree and Saturn is at 18 degree in 11th house, then it will be a true conjunction between Lagan Lord and Lord of Profession. What type of results you can expect in this case? Venus stands for love, relations, prosperity, and Saturn is for discipline, hard work, responsibilities. A positive and close connection between Venus and Saturn will help you create a balance in materialistic comforts and work. It will inspire you to work for long-term stability and success. Venus is Lagan Lord, and its conjunction with Lord of Profession in the house of profit means person will remain self-inspired, motivated to achieve growth, success in professional life. You will build a strong supportive network that will help you achieve. Presence of Lagna Lord in house of profit makes you highly ambitious and channelize your whole personality to achieve professional and financial success. You will focus on your professional growth to achieve recognition, fame, and wealth. You will build a strong supportive network that will help you in achieving your goals. Saturn also rules your house of fortune, so it is added advantage. Conjunction of Lagna Lord with Lord of 9th house with Lord of Fortune in the house of profit will bring big fortunes. Not only your efforts, but your fortune will also help you to achieve big gains through this conjunction. Conjunction between Lagna Lord and Lord of 9th house in the house of profit. This is a strong Lakshmi Yoga. Also, because Saturn rules your 10th house, this is also a strong Dhan Yoga. Conjunction between Lagna Lord and Lord of Profession in the house of profit. And since Venus and Saturn are closely connected, so this Lakshmi Yoga and Dhan Yoga will bring great success, huge profits, name, fame and recognition. This is how conjunction works in a birth chart. So revise it and practice it. You can apply this logic for different houses and conjunction between different planets. First look for their degrees, how close they are, then what are their characteristics, and the houses and their lordships. Based on this, you can decide about the outcome of that conjunction. Subscribe the channel for informative, well-explained sessions in Vedic astrology. And please don't forget to hit the like button. The results a planet can deliver in a particular house of a horoscope depend not only on its position in the horoscope but also on number of other factors like its placement, conjunction with other planets, aspects of other planets, house lord positions, etc. And all these need to be studied collectively to draw inferences. First step is to master all fundamental rules. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 124.